we have these gates in front of the machines, right? Those are just the library component that is colorized, I imagine.
Yeah, and the grippers are made with this tool that we saw before. Is it the fixture as well? It's like using a tool, but opposite. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, that I didn't realize. That is beautiful. Yes.
Yeah. So it's like it shows you the concept, and it gives a really nice communication base, I would say. Cycle time also can we handle. And inside, you saw the robots inside. They are connected to RobotStudio in this case. Now we don't show it in this movie, but they can run the real cutting program.
Okay.
So this was used. I don't know if we see. No, we don't see them because we closed the curtain. But they were running. So it started trying also this connectivity possibilities in this simulation. Which I will come back to later.
And in this case, you then did the cutting program in RobotStudio.
Yeah. So those robots are connected. And that was just to more or less to get the cycle time correct.
Yeah.
Because if you have like 80 features cutting holes, if you differ 0.1, then it sums up to too much difference.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, makes sense to run when you want to get those realistic cycle times. The robot program should run in its own environment. If it is an ABB or KUKA or Fanuc or Yaskawa or Universal Robots, doesn't matter. It should run there because only they know the internal workings of their black box, so to speak. So
yeah. So we think we are thinking like, okay, we take the best out of two worlds right now, and what we will end up in the future, I have no clue. But that's how we do it right now, at least.